Grease buildup and burnt residue can ruin flavor and shorten the life of your grill, making proper maintenance essential for every outdoor cooking session. Best Grill Cleaner Brush delivers tough bristle performance, safe scrubbing, comfortable grip, and long-lasting durability. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Grill Rescue Grill Cleaner Brush. The Grill Rescue Grill Cleaner Brush is designed for grill owners who prioritize safety, durability, and effective cleaning without the risks of traditional wire bristles. Its completely bristle-free design eliminates the danger of loose metal strands ending up in food, making it a family-safe option for regular grilling. Built to withstand temperatures up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, the cleaning head features a high-performance aramid fiber layer that handles stubborn, baked-on grease with ease. The steam cleaning method is simple yet effective. Just heat the grill, dip the brush in water, and let the steam loosen grime naturally. This approach reduces the need for excessive force, helping protect grill grates over time. The sturdy polypropylene handle offers a comfortable grip and long-lasting durability even for frequent grillers. Compatible with gas, charcoal, pellet, flat top, ceramic, and stainless steel grills, it's a versatile tool. The replaceable cleaning head adds long-term value, making this brush a practical, safe, and reliable BBQ cleaning solution. Number 2. GRILLART Grill Cleaner Brush. The GRILLART Grill Cleaner Brush stands out for combining safety, strength, and thoughtful design in one reliable BBQ tool. Its bristle-free construction eliminates the risk of ingesting loose wire bristles while still delivering powerful cleaning performance through steam-assisted scrubbing. The flexible yet sturdy stainless steel handle provides excellent control and keeps hands safely away from heat. A built-in scraper helps remove stubborn, cooled residue before steam cleaning tackles the rest. The wave-shaped foam design is engineered to wrap around grill bars, delivering true 360-degree cleaning that reaches areas standard brushes often miss. Made with heat-resistant steel fiber material, the cleaning head is reusable and safe for hot grills when used as directed. Compatibility across gas, charcoal, porcelain, ceramic, cast iron, and stainless steel grills makes it highly versatile. Easy maintenance is another advantage, as the removable cleaning head is dishwasher safe. Overall, this brush offers efficient, deep cleaning with a strong focus on safety and durability. Number 3. Traeger Grill Cleaner Brush. The Traeger Grill Cleaner Brush is a dependable choice for grillers who want effective maintenance without risking damage to their grill grates. Designed specifically for use on cooled grates, it offers a safe and controlled cleaning experience after cooking. The durable nylon bristles are heat-resistant and tough enough to remove residue while remaining gentle on grill surfaces, preventing scratches or wear over time. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, even with frequent use during grilling season. The balanced design makes it comfortable to handle, allowing consistent pressure for thorough cleaning without strain. A convenient hanging loop adds practical storage, keeping the brush within reach on your grill or outdoor cooking station. While it's an excellent match for Traeger grills, it also works well with other BBQ setups. For grill owners who value simplicity, reliability, and great protection, this brush delivers consistent results with minimal effort. Number 4. Kindoo Grill Cleaner Brush. The Kindoo Grill Cleaner Brush redefines grill maintenance with its powerful electric design that significantly reduces cleaning time and effort. Featuring a high-speed motor operating at 700 to 800 RPM, it quickly breaks down stubborn grease, char, and baked-on residue that manual brushes struggle to remove. The upgraded 3000 mAh battery provides extended runtime and stronger performance compared to standard electric models, making it suitable for deep, thorough cleanings on a single charge. An integrated LED light is a standout feature, illuminating hard-to-see areas so no grime is left behind. Safety is also a priority, with premium 304 stainless steel construction designed to minimize the risk of loose bristles. This brush is ideal for grillers who want fast, professional-level results without physical strain. Combining power, visibility, and durability, the Kindoo electric grill brush is a modern solution for effortless, high-efficiency grill cleaning.
Number 5. GRILLART Ultra Cleaner Brush. The GRILLART Ultra Cleaner Brush is built for grillers seeking a safer, more efficient alternative to traditional metal bristle brushes. Its innovative steel fiber non-metal bristle design eliminates the risk of swallowing dangerous metal fragments while still delivering impressive cleaning power. When paired with steam cleaning action, the flexible steel fiber woven layer loosens years of grease and residue with minimal pressure, making the process less tiring and more effective. The upgraded adhesion system keeps the detachable pad firmly secured during use, ensuring consistent performance. A built-in grill scraper helps tackle the toughest buildup before finishing with gentle scrubbing for a polished result. The long, ergonomically designed handle provides a comfortable grip and keeps hands safely away from heat. Dishwasher-safe, detachable pads and included replacements add long-term convenience and value. Overall, this brush offers a smart balance of safety, efficiency, and durability for regular grill maintenance. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon